If your fills don't flow, you don't need more licks, you need a better system. You know when you've been practicing fills, but they're just not feeling right. Like they're either forced or stiff, or they just don't land, and you're just repeating the same patterns all the time. You've practiced, you've learned a few licks, but somehow you always fall back on the same ideas. And I know that feeling. So I want to show you something really simple but powerful. Not a fill, but a way to practice flow, like actual flow, right? How it's supposed to feel in music, and effortless and free. What's up guys, it's Eddie, and I help drummers build flow, confidence and freedom, creative freedom behind the drum kit. Not by giving a million licks, but just by teaching you one concept and a system that allows you to create your own ideas, fills, whatever it is. If you've been repeating the same patterns, the same ideas, and you always fall back in the same fills, then this video is for you. But this is not a quick fix. It's a system, it's a concept you need to practice. Let's dive in. Today we're going to work with two of my favorite patterns, right left left kick and right left kick. And we're going to practice a method that is going to help you unlock your timing, creativity and flow. So here's the first step. Play right left left kick and right left kick in a loop just on the snare and with your kick. And set your metronome to 50 BPM and take your time. You're not thinking about sticking to one fill or one bar. You're repeating the pattern. You're creating this consistent flow of right left left kick and right left kick. And now just listen. Listen to me first. Feel how this pattern moves across the bar. I'm letting the pattern breathe, I'm letting it drift. And that's the first layer of flow, just repeating the pattern in the 16th note grid. I'm playing my hi-hat in 8th notes in this video with my left foot, but if that is too much for you, just stick to the metronome, that's also fine. But I do recommend getting that hi-hat foot going and feeling comfortable. Now your next step is to sometimes add your kick and your crash on the one. So this is developing your time. You're actually listening to the click while you're playing a right left left kick and right left kick in this continuous flow. But knowing where the one is true timing. So listen to the click, keep repeating, and sometimes when you feel the one is coming, play it with a crash and a kick, like you usually do when you move into a groove or into a next section. Alright, now it's time to take it one step closer and put it into real music. I got this little loop from Splice. You can get it yourself, you know, it's full of loops over there. And it's just to show you that the real practice starts when you're starting to play this with music or a loop or in your band, and not getting stuck thinking, oh, I have to play a one bar fill, because it doesn't happen that often that you're playing exactly one bar. So you need to develop the flow. You need to build the confidence to start and stop your fill anytime, anywhere. So let me show you an example of how it sounds in music. This is the stuff that makes a difference. No more random fills, not copy-paste licks, but systems you can trust that build your confidence. So here's your challenge. Learn how to loop right left left kick and right left kick in 16th notes as a continuous flow. Start with your metronome at 50 BPM and now and then crash on the one with your kick and your crash, obviously. Try it with a loop, musical loop, to actually apply it in a real live situation. And if you want more tools like this, download the free guide in the description and get started transforming your fills into concepts and ideas that you can use confidently anywhere in any style of music. Let me know in the comments how it goes, and I hope to see you in the next video.